Welcome to episode 28. Future and promise, two small primitives that cover most async code. Future runs a body on a background thread. You get a reference back. Promise is an empty cell. Any thread delivers a value into it. Any thread derefs to receive. Both block on deref until the value's ready. Two functions, slow double for futures, and the full parallel plus promise demo in main. Start the REPL. Load the namespace. Def future with a sleep and 42 runs in the background. F is a future object. Status, ready. Value, 42. Deref, 42. No wait, since the body has already finished. Realized, true. The future's done. 3 futures kicked off in parallel. Each sleeps a different amount. Map deref over them. All 3 results in input order regardless of finish order. Now a promise, an empty cell. Realized returns false. A future kicks off a deliver. Any thread can fill it in. Deref blocks until delivered. Then the keyword arrives. Control D. CLJ-M: run 3 parallel futures, then a promise delivered from a background thread. Quick recap. Future takes a body. It runs on a background thread. Deref returns the value when ready. Promise is an empty cell. Deliver fills it. Once. Deref blocks until it's delivered. Both one-shot, both synchronized, the simplest async Clojure gives you. Next up, core.async channels and Go blocks. Thanks for watching episode 28. Future for work. Promise for handoff. Both return a value exactly once. Next, episode 29. Core.async.